Hey guys, Dana Lynnette here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I want to talk about dandruff control. Some of you guys who have been following my journey know I had dandruff before I started my LOC journey. Didn't really realize it until the day that it was time to twist to actually install. And so I just kept it moving and installed anyway. And I'm just a few days away from being 2 months into this journey, and I've been doing different things to control the dandruff and to get it under control. So really quick backstory. When I was relaxed, I did deal with dandruff a lot. When I went natural and started my natural hair journey, what I realized, or what I learned, was that olive oil and castor oil and some other oils are antimicrobial. And so when I switched from using hair grease or petroleum-based products to grease my scalp, to oiling my scalp with olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, the antimicrobial properties of the oil actually combated the dandruff. And so I didn't have dandruff anymore when I switched to using oils. I got so comfortable in that once I got lazy and stopped oiling my scalp, then the dandruff came back. And so that's kind of where the state I was in when I started this journey. So over these 2 months, I have been using apple cider vinegar and washing on about a weekly basis. And I also used a little sulfur 8, which is another petroleum-based product, but the active ingredient in it is sulfur. And these things have really helped me, so I want to pass this along to you. So stay tuned, and I'll actually walk you through the process of what I'm doing on wash day. Just know that my recommendation is over a 3-week period, what you want to do is on wash day, spray your hair with the apple cider vinegar solution that I'm going to show you. Before you get in the shower or whatever to wash it, then kind of massage that in a bit, go on and get in the shower, wash your hair, and oil your scalp with, like I said, something that's antimicrobial like olive oil, castor oil, and I believe coconut oil qualifies. You can do your research on that or just get some extra virgin olive oil. And you'll see a reduction throughout that week, but go on the next week and wash your hair again. We're braiding, we're banding, for those of you who don't have mature locks. And you're going to spray your head again, massage it in, get in the shower, wash your hair like you typically do, and oil your scalp. You don't have to oil your hair per se. You want to get the oil on your scalp, massage it in. And by the time the third treatment or wash comes around, I think you're going to see a big difference. So you guys can stay tuned and kind of watch me go through this process. And I think by the third week, you'll feel like you have it under control enough, if it's not gone completely, depending on where you are. But it'll be under control enough that perhaps you don't have to wash your hair as frequently as one time weekly if that's not your flow. It is my preference. But if you typically wash once every 2 weeks or longer, I do suggest doing this for 3 weeks straight and seeing what kind of progress you get. If you try this, come back to this video, comment below, or if you've tried it in the past, then let me know in the comment section how this works, or maybe other dandruff control tips that you have. But we going into 2021 flake free, baby. Stay tuned.